Yeah, that's the most fun I've had with my pants on all week. I don't want to have to settle down now. That got me excited. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Finn TV. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. My wife picked me up a MONDO kit. I hadn't had one of these before. I'd like to see what's in it and see if we can't catch some fish. Get another box. All right, I guess this card's just telling us what's in it. Looks like we got a sticker. Looks like a pumpkin seed jig, 3/8 ounce. That's pretty nice. Got a crankbait. Pretty good looking color. It might do pretty good in this muddy water. A spinnerbait. I like that color. Looks like a sexy shad. What do they call it? Yeah, sexy shad. And some Kraken crawls. All right. Looks nice, don't it? First thing we're gonna tie on is this crankbait right here. Alright, set it right here. Let's grab my spinnerbait rod. This is one of my favorite spinnerbaits here. It is a Davis X-wire, and it is a peacock color. It's what I caught my personal best spotted bass with. Check out those eyes. Those are cool, ain't they? And I like the blades, how that's stamped in there. Let's get it tied on. You know, I really wasn't expecting baits of this high quality. This is a really quality lure so far. Really sharp hooks. The blades are stamped. I really like that. I like how they took the time to put their symbol in the eyeballs there. See if we can catch one. Alright, first I'm gonna throw this spinnerbait, this sexy shad spinnerbait. This water's really cold and muddy. The water's come up probably 4 foot since last weekend with all this rain that we've had. I don't know if you can see all this debris, but there's trees, there's sticks and Coke bottles and oil bottles. There's all kind of stuff in the river floating. This water's visibility is probably 3 inches. So I hadn't got a whole lot of high expectations for today, but maybe we can catch a few. These Googan baits are good. They ought to catch one in rough conditions, or conditions like this. Showing some fish right here on the depth finder. Looks like they're suspended around 10 foot. You'd think as muddy as this water is, they'd be right up on the bank. Water temperature is 53.7 degrees. I've seen it 54 degrees today, which last weekend it was 47 degrees. Let's slow it down a little bit. Alright guys, I just turned the camera off. I wouldn't catch anything. And I just caught this one right here off a spinnerbait. So that one's that's a pretty nice one right there. I'd like to catch another one like him. I believe I might put him in the live well. Man, that was fun. I think I'm gonna leave the camera on now. Caught him right on the bank. Yeah, that's the most fun I've had with my pants on all week. I don't want to have to settle down now. It got me excited. Oh, where he is? Oh, shit. Dadgum. My dad got on to me for cussing in one of my videos when I missed a fish. I'll have to edit that out. All right. These fish seem to be off of these points. But I caught that one earlier right on the bank. So, as muddy as this water is, you'd think they'd be right on the bank. They hadn't dropped any water or anything, so there's really no reason to, they've raised the water. There he is. There he is. Oh, yeah. He is. There's one more for the live well. It looks like it's been fighting something. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. My trolling motor batteries is dead, and hell, my batteries is dead too. So I'm gonna go home and throw these in a skillet and fry them up and see what they taste like. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate it if y'all would subscribe and like the video. Had a good time today. It was a hard day. The water was cold and it was muddy, about 5 degrees warmer than it was last weekend, and visibility is probably 2-3 inches. So I'm proud I caught these two today, and they're gonna make some grease. So anyways, like and subscribe, and I appreciate all the support, and have a new video next weekend. Thanks.